Welcome to the series of short tutorials covering different aspects of InDesign. Primarily aimed at beginners, it shows the basics. Then you're free to experiment further by making mistakes and kind of learning from them. They're formatted into bite-sized chunks to introduce the various tools and options in InDesign. Hopefully each tutorial will work as a standalone, which allows you to drop back and use as a guide to your own projects. I'm going to demonstrate on Adobe CS3, but most if not all the tutorials will be relevant to more current versions of Adobe Suite. But as a quick introduction to InDesign, I just thought I'd talk quickly about the interface. So if you're not familiar with it, it shares a lot of the similarities with the other Creative Suite pieces of software. So you have your palettes on this side, you can see them there. You've got a contextual menu along the top, which changes depending on what tool you've got, and the tools are down this side. Now, you're free to kind of move palettes wherever you wish and create a different workspace, which I've done in this instance. So if your InDesign doesn't look like this, i.e. there's not palettes down here and some of the palettes are different this side, and that's probably because it's in the default setting. So if you want to go back to the default, you can go up to Window, Workspaces, Default Workspace, and that's probably what it'll look like. So you have the tools down this left-hand side, and the right-hand side's got the palettes. Now this is a minimized view, so when you click on the relevant palettes, they pop open and then pop shut. So this is quite good if you've got a small screen and you haven't got much screen space. I'm going to pop it back to the workspace that I had set out, which is called Demonstration Layout. Just because that's the way I like to work, and I can quickly show you the relevant things that I'm going to need. And I'll probably keep this layout consistent through the tutorials as I go through.